Hey everyone, and welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to show you how to unlock a whole new world of entertainment by watching Canadian Netflix on your Apple TV. First things first, we need to get a VPN onto your Apple TV. Head over to the home screen where you see all your apps. Then, navigate to and open the App Store. Inside the App Store, scroll all the way across to find the search icon. Tap it, and then type in the name of your preferred VPN. In this tutorial, we're using IPVanish. Once you've searched for IPVanish, it should pop up as the top result. You can scroll down to read more about it if you want. To download, click the Get button. If you've downloaded it before, it might show a cloud icon like mine does here. Just click that. Alright, once the VPN is downloaded, go ahead and click Open. The first time you open it, you'll see some info screens. Read through those and then click Get Started. Now you'll need to log in. Enter your email and password for your IPVanish account. And hey, if you don't have an account yet, I highly recommend checking the link in the description or the pinned comment. You'll find an exclusive discount on IPVanish there. When you log in for the first time, you'll be asked to create a VPN configuration profile. Just click Allow. This is what lets the VPN work its magic. Okay, now that it's set up, we can start using the VPN. For this video, remember, we want to access the Canadian version of Netflix, so we need to connect to a Canadian server. Find a Canadian server in the list, click on it, and after a few seconds, you'll be connected. Your Apple TV will basically think it's chilling in Canada. With that done, head back to the home screen and open Netflix like you normally would. Go ahead and sign into your Netflix account and select your profile. And that's it. You're now browsing the Canadian version of Netflix. See? It even says, Top 10 TV Programs in Canada Today. Just pick whatever show you want to watch, and enjoy. So that's how you watch Canadian Netflix on your Apple TV. Remember to use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a significant discount on IPVanish. This is based on my personal experience, and hopefully it helps you out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.